Discover a revolution in fat loss with visual impact cardio. Fitness expert Rusty Moore is challenging the norm and revealing secrets to gaining your dream physique. Dive into a course that blends old-school cardio techniques with modern science for a balanced, effective fat loss solution. Wave goodbye to the brief, intense exercise trend, and welcome an approach that maximizes calorie burn without pushing you to the brink. Visual impact cardio dives into fat loss science, discussing insulin sensitivity, adrenaline response, and blood flow optimization. Moore's practical tips, like separating cardio from resistance training and using cardio machines for precise intensity tweaks, ensure real results. 3 8-week programs cater to various fitness levels, providing a structured path to success. Gradually progress towards your fat loss goals without hitting frustrating plateaus. Complex concepts are presented in a digestible way, with real-world examples and useful advice. For just $37, Visual Impact Cardio offers incredible value compared to traditional personal training, backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't let this chance slip by. Transform your fitness journey and achieve lasting results. Join Visual Impact Cardio today and take your physique to new heights. Invest in Visual Impact Cardio, click the link in bio,